So here's how it works. Once you insert the Flash media onto your web page, what we'll do is we'll, of course, get out what's called our behaviors panel, because all this extension really is a behavior, a JavaScript that we'll add to the web page. We choose Window, Behaviors, and in order for us to add this behavior to the page, we need to select the body of our page. So to select the body of our page, let me draw your attention to the lower left-hand corner of the screen. This is what's called the tag selector. When you're in Dreamweaver's design view, you can still select specific HTML tags depending upon where your cursor is on the screen. I'm going to choose the body tag, and that will allow me to select the entire body of my page. Once we select the entire body of the page, all I need to do from the Behaviors panel, if we go back up to our Behaviors panel, is choose from the Behaviors menu what's called the Macromedia Flash Dispatcher behavior. Remember, once you install this plugin into Dreamweaver and restart the program, you'll be able to access it here. All we need to do is simply specify the name of the page that we want to take our visitors to if they have the Flash plugin installed. So under Macromedia Flash Content URL, we click the Browse button, and we simply find the name of the page that we want to take our visitors to if they in fact have this file, if they have the plugin.